I'll tell you guys a story. I'm not going to say who it was. It's a very large company, very, very large company. They have they have a lot of warehouses across the United States and across the world, actually. So I'm not going to say anything more than that. But they have a lot of warehouses, internationally known company. And in my discussions with them, they were freaking out about the data in their sensors. They have these sensors that tell you like the atmospheric conditions inside a warehouse, like the temperature and the time of day and like the atmospheric pressure, the humidity, stuff like that, right? And they were freaking out about how the sensors had gaps in the data and how it was going to affect their modeling, right? And they kept on telling me about like, oh, you know, this is a massive problem. We got to fix this. We got to address this. They were just like, we got to have data quality issue. You know, we can't have any data quality issues. Got to have accuracy. But they were just going on and on about this until finally, I'm hearing them. I realized, you know, one of the things that happens a lot with my clients when I work with them, and really kind of in most scenarios, is they're too close to the problem, right? They can't step back and look at the big picture, and that's what I'm really good at.